fix Snapchat pin messages not working. So if you are facing a problem with Snapchat pin messages, then first of all open up your Snapchat application, and after opening your Snapchat, now you can simply go for chat, which is on the bottom left, and here you will have your friends, right? So if you want to pin someone or if you want to pin a chat, then you can simply hold on for that person for 2 to 3 seconds, and then here you will have chat settings under the third option. Tap on that and then go for pin conversation. So that's it, that's how you pin your conversation. But if you're facing a problem with this, like if you are not having that option, then make sure that your app is up to date, because if your app is not up to date, then you might find this kind of problem. So to update that, you have to open up your Play Store, and then you can go for the search bar and then search for Snapchat. And if you have an update option instead of this open option, you have to simply update your Snapchat, and that might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you have to once uninstall the Snapchat application, and then you have to again install it, and then you can log into your account. And the last fix is open up your settings on your phone and then go for apps and notifications, and here you will have see all apps, or you can also simply go for Snapchat, which is here on the upper side. And after opening Snapchat, on your settings you will have storage and cache option on the third line, and then you can simply tap on that, and here you will have two options. One is clear storage and another one is clear cache. So you can simply tap on clear cache, and you have to clear all of that cache on Snapchat, and now you might pin that conversation or chat. And that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.